hello. Now, get Bridget Benjamin there for say it as it is, Pidgin News. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We're live for BBTV. Thank you now, oh, I don't join. I don't know which end way you there. I don't know which side you there. I don't know where you watch from, but I want to just thank you because without Una, we no go there for this place. Now, because of Una, we there here. And I thank everybody who don't download BBTV app. And I wait for you when I feedback. When I download the app, I beg. When I rate the app, when I try to give us feedback, share them for our friends. They may they download the app because we get a lot and lots of movies the way that they come for that app. And if when I not download the app, lots of we not go fit for sure on all our fantastic movies there with big actors and for Africa. A-list actors the way they do for our movies. Then the few when I don't see them for day now, when I no worry before December, a lot of movies they go day way when I go enjoy on ourselves this Christmas period. Thank you now all for the wonderful tune that you do. Say it as it is. Pidgin News on the go. It get bigger and better. All of us did learn this place that so we educate the public and we need the fear face. So any tool we talk for here na very day. So today our topic we go talk about today we want to talk about one of our Cameroonian sisters where they do a lot in the community. You know, so for this place, we need to bring people down, we lift people up. And anybody will do anything wrong for the community, if we bring you for here, we'll correct you and we'll speak different languages every head where you go learn. No matter how you go take them, because some people then they will if you tell them the truth, they need to be happy about them. But BBC, we don't come for talk the truth. We're not there for here for lie about anybody. So our topic for today, we'll talk about one our sister way there for this country that they call and say United States of America. But I know say for that particular country now coronavirus don't carry all people they even fear. As also in America the lead when they concern the coronavirus. China just talk say America would dash on this virus so boom. They just carry the virus dash America with them. Because that particular country now so corona, everything na corona. Now them the lead for this corona before I say yes when I was country again Brazil don't follow for back up before UK then the camp corner. So make we tell this our beautiful sister, make it présentez-vous. Dr. Belinda Babila, na name that too. Présentez-vous madame. When I see Belinda Babila no ma look small. Beautiful Belinda. Belinda be a mother and very educated. He be an author. She be doctor. Now her title that though I don't add them for day. Belinda being a humanitarian. When they say humanitarian, now one of the lead humanitarians in that is a Cameroon community. Belinda Babila. Belinda Babila get a Belinda Babila Foundation. You know say you get the Belinda Babila Foundation where they do a lot of humanitarian work all over Africa. For the moment, we will show you some of Belinda Babila in humanitarian work then because that thing that we bring it for this our platform today. We want celebrity for the wonderful thing, for the life, the way they touch them. It be a voice to the voiceless. So we want to celebrate Belinda Babila today because now people then this for our community where Cameroonians they need to celebrate. So we will celebrate Belinda Babila now. Make una watch most of the things the way they do. now welcome back. Oh, now welcome back. I don't see the wonderful things. The way my sister Belinda Babila did, make it come back for you. I try for talk for you small. Belinda, thank you for the wonderful things the way you do. Thank you for the life the way you touch them. And we thank you for the things the way you do. And I don't see everything, one of the things the way Belinda Babila they do. Belinda Babila na author books and the Amazon for when I want go buy books when I go buy them. When I follow you for Facebook for Belinda Babila a page and I should say the Instagram too. When I follow you for that. When I see you works the way they do and anybody who wants support Belinda Babila Foundation, if you go for Belinda Babila Foundation page, you go and see how if you send in your support Belinda for this wonderful work the way Belinda they do. For be a voice to the voiceless, if you support Belinda Babila for everything where Belinda Babila they do. Our sister will go clap for you for the things the way you don't do for this community, and we encourage you say make you continue for the do way to way you do. You continue for do the hard work, continue for do everything where you do because you be a voice to the voiceless. But we go advise you one thing and say Belinda Babila, when you go to for do all this Belinda Babila Foundation things them, no they put your picture for them, may not be like say you want me the orphans them and the widows them and the people the way you support them, me they can't see your picture. You they do a very great job, your name already be for there and the name be known. So no need for your picture because you put your picture there, it makes so it put some people they off. And it makes some people they feel so you want can see how you want to me they see how you they enjoy them they suffer. So my beautiful sister, we love you so much. Do your logo, put your logo in every event, everything where you do, take off your picture because you be a fantastic person and you do a lot. Sometimes in there for life with certain things that people they do and when people they there around them, nobody go and tell them the truth about which way they go on. They go just say no, me continue, and then they'll go for back go the talk. So oh, you want go show na a picture, or you want go do na charity, or you want go do that this, or you want go do that this. So Belinda, you know say I love you so much, and you know say BBTV love you so much. We cherish your work. No, I don't think we get human if we get like 3, 4, 5 women the inside Cameroon community where they do a lot of humanitarian work then so we go progress a lot of positive women they be one of the positive women they inside our community. But the only thing we will tell you now where you know say for this place we talk na verite, we talk na the truth. Say my beautiful sister, do your charity, Belinda Babila Foundation. Anybody if you go find a foundation, they do a lot. If you want to go for Africa, go do your event them, go do your charitable work them. No, put your picture, put your logo, make a big banner, Belinda Babila Foundation with banner and their things the way they do, but no put your picture over there. Because when you put your picture over there now, it's like so you do want people they celebrate you and some of the things that way God know the one time. And then they say you want people they worship you. And when we as children of God, and I know so you be a child of God, those are things where we need the one, God need the one time. Me no be like say we want take it glory. Leave God to glory, me God take it glory. Because now God give you that ability, now God give you that strength. For this life, the best thing where you feel do for your life now, for make them. For instead for you, for be a receiver, instead be a giver. It's a blessing to be a giver. A big blessing. Maybe everybody get that gift for be a giver. And you, Belinda Babila, God don't bless you, give you that gift for be a giver. God don't bless you, give you that voice for be out there for the voiceless. So not take the glory. My dear sister, we love you so much. We'll leave all una for here. Thank you so much for the wonderful things we do for BBTV. Don't forget for download our app. Au revoir, my beautiful sister. Don't forget for download our app. Don't forget say you get for download our app. Follow us for BBTV for Facebook. Subscribe for our YouTube channel. But if you get that app, no worry. From through that app, if you watch everything we concern BBTV, our movies, them, our educative stuff, them, and all the wonderful things they will do if you watch them. Thank you so much. I hope I don't see my beautiful face again. Au revoir.
Asking me? No, are you asking us how to treat a lady? Shut up! I'm talking to my wife, not you.
Get out of my house, Anita. I'm not going anywhere.
You can't face your incompetence. You're blaming me for everything because a woman has defeated you.
Did you just say I am incompetent?
Yes. Richard!
Next time, woman, watch your tongue.
I want a divorce.
Divorce?
I want a divorce.
If you divorce my sister, you are definitely going to divorce the next woman you get married to.
Brother, even if she's cheating, allow her to cheat, brother. Allow her to cheat.
It is not my responsibility to tell you I'm pregnant.
It is your responsibility.
It is not. You should have noticed the mood swings, the hormonal changes. You should have noticed every good
What are
husband.
you talking about? All I can see here is a woman that is pregnant that I have not slept with for God knows how long. I have not even laid next to her, let alone to even make love to her. So who is responsible for the pregnancy? I'd like to know.
Maybe you disgrace me. You fuck up big time.
Are you not the one who asked me?
Did I ask you to sleep with him? You and Alice. Now the kiss.
What do you lack as a woman? Your auntie here, my wife, knows that I have 3 other girlfriends out there. You want to break the African idea of a man?
Your father sent for you and you said no.
I was young. I was naive. Do not hold that against me.
I thought you said we were criminals and you wanted nothing to do with criminals. How come you are coming to us now?
So you have to invite all your guests to fly first class.
I can afford it.